Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. So we have another American lock today. This time it is the 1305, which is very similar dimensions to the 1100, but it's 50 inch rather than 50 mil rather than 40 mil. Chunkier shackle as well. So this one is actually pinned 6 pins. Quite interesting bitting on it. All works nicely, just as it should. So let's get this in the vise and give it a go. So there we go, that should work. So we're going top of the keyway, very light tension. I'm using a Southord max deep hook. We'll start at the front and work our way back. So nothing on 1, 2 and 3, but 4's binding. Right, we've got a tiny click and a very slight full set. 5 we're getting counter rotation. And hopefully that's there. Nothing on 6. So we've got 1, 2, 3 we're getting counter rotation. And lost that full set. Nothing on 6. I think 3's gonna got itself overset. Right, I think we got a bit of movement there. So 1 is solid, 2 is solid, 3 counter rotation, and lost the full set again. Right, that was 6 and we got a full set again. 1, 2, 3. Counter rotation, and 5 has dropped counter rotation. Alright, that felt good. 1, 2, 3, come on, counter rotation again. And lost the full set. 1, 2, 3. Lost the full set. Oh, there we go. 1, 2. I think 3's dropped in now. Oh, excuse me. 4, 5, 6, counter rotation and lost the full set. Got it back by letting tension off. 1, 2 and 3's dropped. And lost that full set again. Right, 4, and we got it back. 5 we had counter rotation. So definitely some tricky spools in here. 2, 3, Right, 3 felt we might have got it that time. 5, and we've lost it again. And lost the tension wrench, but I think we held it together. 4, and we got that back again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. And we've lost the full set again. Then we lost everything now. 4, 3, 5, 5. That was 5. Crap, I can't believe we're up to 7 minutes already. 2, 3, come on. I thought we had it there. 4, 3. There we go. Can't believe that. I've got to see what's inside here now. Quickly as possible. Come on out. Right. Lock this up because we've got the key. I just cannot believe that took so long. Clip off. Key in. Right, so there we go, we have all 6. And they should all just be normal American, serrated, 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 and in here, tweezers, lost my tweezers. Number 1 is a spool. Two, serrated. 3 is a spool. 4 is serrated. 5 is a spool. And 6 is a spool. So definitely a bit of a spoolathon going on. So there we go. Just a quick look at those. So all standard American fare, but certainly a tricky little pick. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.